Hello students, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends so that nobody will get so exhausted to commit suicide. Please help your friends also. Share this. See, and this is nucleophilic substitution reaction we are doing. NaOC2H5 when attacking to this, it will take away this Br and we'll get 2 degree carbocation. And now 2 degree carbocation is less stable as compared to 3 degree carbocation. So 1,2 hydride shift will be there. This hydride is coming over here, and so that we'll get 3 degree carbocation more stable. Now in nucleophile attack on it, and we'll get 1 ethoxy here. I have written methoxy, 1 ethoxy, sorry, 1 ethoxy, 1 ethoxy, 1 methyl cyclohexane. Right now here see this also draw this structure. Br is lost, NaBr is formed. Now this is having positive charge, this is less stable. So here what will happen? Again hydride shift will be there, and we'll get 3 degree carbocation. Now OC2H5 attack on this 3 degree carbocation, and we'll get 2 ethoxy 2 methyl butane. Okay, now we'll go for this. Now this is 5-member ring. Here this is CH2Cl. After loss of the Cl, there will be positive charge. This is positively charged. Now here 1,2 methyl shift will be there, so that we'll get 3 degree carbocation. So this methyl group joined to CH2. So now it is now CH2CH3, and positive charge will be coming over here. So we'll get 3 degree carbocation, OC2H5 attack on it, and we'll get this compound. Okay, OET means ethoxy. So we are getting 1 ethoxy, 1 ethyl cyclopentane. Now one example view is this also, that ring expansion takes place because this CH2 is carrying 1 positive charge, so we'll let this bond from here join to this. So now it will become this 3 degree So when bond is coming to join to this, so now we'll get 2 degree carbocation. This is 1 degree carbocation. Now we are getting 2 degree carbocation. Ring is also expanded, and Me is here. Now again 1,2 hydride shift will be there, and we'll get 3 degree carbocation. Okay, and see here we'll get this product. OET and Me both are on the same carbon. Okay, all the best, and remember that practice makes a man perfect. Again, there are 2 products, one product is this with a cyclopentane ring, and the other one is from cyclohexane ring. So you have to prepare in MCQ this one, ring expansion, although it is in BSc course, but you have to learn about it. Okay, so we will get this product. Clear to you? All the best for your success. All the best. God bless you. Write down everything, each and everything. This is ring expansion as well as nucleophilic substitution reaction.